Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And here in this session, we are going to discuss a very important question of general aptitude from GATE exam. The question's topic is data interpretation. Question, if you will see, is like the pie chart below has the breakup of the number of students from different departments in an engineering college for the year 2012. So this is the pie chart and different departments breakup of a student is designed here. The proportion of male to female students in each department is 5:4. So in each department, 5:4 is the ratio of male to female. Okay, so it is information, important information. Let write it. Okay, male to female ratio for each department is 5:4. Okay, there are 40 male in electrical engineering. So 40 males are there in electricals. Okay. So what are the number of females? So if you will see 5:4. So 4 by 5 into 40. If I will do this, 5 8 ja 40 and 8 4 ja 32. This is the number of females in electrical department. Okay. So if I will add 32 plus 40, it leads to 72. So total number of students in electrical is 72, which is nothing but 20%. So if 20% is 72 means 10% is 36. 10% is 36, isn't it? If 10% is 36 means 100%. 100% is nothing but 360, isn't it, guys? Now, total number of students in mechanical is 36, and in civil, total number of students would be 36, multiply it with 3, 72 plus 36. So if you will add, you will get 108. Now, the number of what we need to answer, what is the difference between the number of female students in the civil department and female student in the mechanical department. So we need to answer the female students in mechanical, and we need number of females in civil, and then we need to subtract whatever is higher, right? So female students in mechanical is 32. Just multiply it with 4, divide by 9, because 32 is 36 is the total students, right? So 4 by 9. Why? Because 5 plus 4 9 total students ratio. 9 4 ja 36, 4 4 ja 16. So 16 females are there in mechanical. 16 females are there in mechanical. If I talk about civil, 108 multiply with 4 by 9. Ratio of male to female in each department is same. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. 12 4 ja 48. So 48, we need to find the difference. We need to find difference between number of female students between civil and mechanical. So 48 minus 16, it is 32. 8 6 2 4 1 3. So 32 is the correct answer for this GATE question, guys. I hope this question is clear to you. If you have any doubt, do comment. I will try to resolve it as early as possible. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.